guys, it's me Meerab
And me, Mariam.
and today we went to visit our aunt and we saw all these plants and stuff, so that is why we just filmed a video of it. I think it's because these are really cool and we don't really have trees in our home, so yeah. Also, there's something really cool, so you have to watch the whole video for that.
Enjoy.
So this is the first time I ever saw a watermelon plant, and I think it's really cool, and there's even a little watermelon in there. So yeah, I was really excited about it.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no,